Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing great. So today in this video we are going to discuss exercise 8.2 question number 1 Roman number 4. Okay, Roman number 1, 2 and 3 I have given in the previous video, the explanation video. So if you are new in my channel, you will get the link in the description box. You can check from there. Also, I have given some tricks to remember the trigonometric ratio, that means this table. How to remember the value of sine 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60, 90, cos 0 to 90, all this. So you don't memorize this table, okay? I have given trick how to remember this table in the previous video. I will give the link in the description box. You can get from there, okay? So আজি আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম question number 4 1 2 3 আমি আগৰ ভিডিও ডিসকাস কৰিলো আৰু এই টেবলটো কেনেকৈ মনত ৰাখিব লাগে ভ্যালু কিটা trigonometric ratio ভ্যালু যেনেকৈ sin 0 degree 0 হয় sin 30 degree 1/2 হয় সো এটো বাই হার্ট নকৰিব এটো কি কৰিব লাগিব এটো কেনেকৈ এটো ভ্যালুটো মনত ৰাখিব এটো ট্ৰিকটো মই আগৰ ভিডিও ডিসকাস কৰিলো সো মই লিংকটো ডেসক্ৰিপচনত দি দিম তাৰ পৰা চাই লব আৰু ইতিয়ালৈকে মোৰ চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰা নাই সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি লব যাহাতে মই নতুন ভিডিও আপলোড কৰিলে নোটিফিকেশন পায় So today we'll discuss question number 4. Here is the question: sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cos 45 degree. So without knowing the value of sin 30, tan 45, cosec 60, right, without knowing this table you won't be able to solve this numerical problem. So a value kita jodi monot na rakhe etu numerical problem to solve koribo noibo. So he karone moi trick to di desu link to moi description ot di dim agor video. So let's get started the solution. So here is the question. Now we have to put the values of sin 30, tan 45, all these values, right? Now what is the value of sin 30? So value of sin 30 we have to find out from here. What is the value of sin 30? Look at here, sin 30 it is 1/2. So this way we have to write. So sin 30 er value to kiman hoy 1/2 hoy. So heniko ami etu likhibo lagibo sin 30 er value kiman hoy 1/2. So here we can write now sin 30 it is what, 1/2 plus tan 45. The value of tan 45 is 1, okay? Value of tan 45 is 1 minus cosec 60 degree. The value of cosec 60 degree is how much? 2/√3. Again next, sec 30 degree. Sec 30 degree it is 2/√3 plus cos 60 it is half plus cot 45 is 1. So after putting the value we have to solve it out, right? Now what we have to do here, first we have to take the LCM, right? For both the numerator and denominator we have to solve out first separately. Ita numerator aru denominator ta ami separate ke solve kori lobo lagibo. Ita itu ki korim so here ami LCM lobo lagibo. So here we can write now 2√3. LCM of 2√3 is 2√3. Look at this here, 2 is same, isn't it? So no need to write 2. So root 3, you have to write here root 3 plus again 2 root 3 1 how much 2 root 3 minus for this root 3 same, no need to write root 3 again, we have to multiply this 2 by 2, 2 2 is 4. Understood my point? Yet ki hobo LCM to ki hobo 2 root 3, LCM hobo here 2 root 3. So it easy technique hoy jodi same number to likhibo na lage ki 2 2 2 ni likhibo na lage ki hobo root 3 aru 1 logot into korle kiman hobo root 3 hobo jehetu yat ekku na he karone ami LCM to itu direct likhim 2 root 3 yat minus aru yat ki ase root 3 same hoy ase itu same to likhibo na lage baki ki ase baki ki ase 2 2 আমি লিখিম এটা ইনটু কৰিম 2 2 is 4. So this is the easy way to find out. Next, in the denominator it is also same. LCM is how much? 2 root 3. 2 root 3. Now look at here 3 3 same, no need to write the same numbers. Root 3 are same, so the remaining numbers are 2 and 2. So we have to multiply this 2 by 2, 2 2 is how much? 4. Now we can write here 4 plus next here 2 2 are same, here also 2, here also 2, no need to write this 2 number, so the remaining number is root 3. So root 3 1 is how much? Root 3. Next directly we can multiply 2 root 3 into 1, 2 root 3. এটো এক এলসিএম কি হ'ব 2 root 3 হ'ব এটো সোয়া তলটো 2 root 3 যেহেতু এটো root 3 সেম হয় এটো লিখিব না লাগে খালি এটো 2 লগত ইনটু কৰিম 2 2 যা কিমান পালো 4 নেক্সট 2 2 সেম হয় 2 2 সেম হয় লিখিব না লাগে খালি কি ইনটু কৰিম root 3 1 যা root 3 প্লাস যেটো এটো 1 আছে হে কাৰণে এটো আমি ডাইরেক্ট ইনটু কৰিম কি হ'ব 2 root 3 1 যা 2 root 3 now 2 root 3 get cancel a duta term to ki hobo cancel hobo, so the remaining terms are root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4. In the denominator it is 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Now we can add this two term, isn't it? Here 2 root 3, here nothing means what? 1 root 3. So 2 plus 1 how much? Here we can write 3 root 3 minus 4, here also same root 3 2 root 3. So 2 plus 1 4 plus how much it is 2 plus 1 3 root 3. Understood? Sorry 4 here 1 here 2, so 2 plus 1 it is how much 3 root 3. Understood my point? So we can get the we can add this two term এই দুটা term to আমি কি হয় প্লাস কৰিব পাৰো কিয় কাৰণে এটো ইয়াত root 3 আছে ইয়াত root 3 আছে যদি সেম হয় এটো প্লাস কৰিব পাৰিম সো ইয়াত যেহেতু একো নাই মানে আমি কি কনসিডাৰ কৰিম ইয়াত 1 কনসিডাৰ কৰিম সো 2 plus 1 কিমান হ'ব 3 root 3 minus 4 to একে থাকিব next 4 plus ইয়াত একো নাই মানে কি কনসিডাৰ কৰিম 1 so 1 plus 2 কিমান হ'ব 3 আৰু এটো কি হ'ব root 3 now also we can write 3 root 3 minus 4. First we can write first this term 3 root 3 plus 4, right? This one I am writing this 3 root 3 here first, next plus 4 eto ami agot likhibo paru jehetu yar plus ase plus thakile ekono eto change koribo pare so e karone eto agot likhisu yar eto ki korilu second ot likhisu next. Now don't think we cannot cancel it, right? We can't cancel this term because one is negative one is positive, yet minus plus thakile tumaloke na bhabiba je etu cancel jabo etu cancel na jabo jehetu yet minus ase yet plus ase yet into thoka heten tite hole etu ami cancel koribo parilu hoy aru jodi sign to same thakile heten titeao ami cancel koribo parilu hoy but in this case cancel koribo noarim. Understood? In the next step we have to take the conjugate for this. Conjugate means what? Suppose is x plus y, the conjugate of x plus y is what? X minus y. Term will remain same. Term to ekke thakibo khali yat plus hole negative hole positive lobo lagibo. Eta air conjugate lole ki hobo ami etu 3 root 3 plus 4 ase, so 3 root 3 plus 4's conjugate is how much? 3 root 3 minus 4. 3 root 3 plus 4 or conjugate ki hobo 3 root 3 minus 4. Got it? So after this step you follow this step. So in the next step, what we have to do here, we have to take the conjugate for this number. So it will be 3 root 3 minus 4. Here plus is here, so we have take the negative one. Also we have to write in the numerator also 3 root 3 minus 4. এটো কনজুগেট লিখিলো আমি কনজুগেট লিখাৰ পাছত যদি ডিনোমিনেটৰত লিখে আমি নিউমেৰেটৰতো লিখিব লাগিব ইয়াত লিখিলেও তলত লিখিলেও ওপৰতো লিখিব লাগিব now look at here 3 root 3 minus 4 3 root 3 minus 4 here 2 3 root 3 minus 4 are there so we can write 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square we can write like this isn't it it's what 3 root 3 minus 4 here to 3 root 3 minus 4 he karone etu direct ami ki likhim whole square likhim jehetu ye duta ase he karone etu ki dilu ami whole square now look at here this is in which form a plus b into a minus b form so the formula of a plus b into a minus b is what a square minus b square look at here suppose this is a and this is b this is also a this is b last terms are same isn't it here also last terms are same first terms are same here also first terms are same here 3 root 3 here also 3 root 3 that is why it is in which form it is a plus b into a minus b form so we can directly follow this step a square minus b square etu kuntu formon hoy ase etu formon hoy ase directly ami a step to follow karim a square minus b square directly likhim so here a means what we are considering a as what root 3 whole square minus we are required what b square means what root 3 sorry not root 3 4 whole square this is a and this is b understood I hope all of you understand it now next now in the next step we have to break this a minus b whole square form right a minus b whole square what is the formula of a minus b whole square it is a square minus a square plus b square minus 2ab isn't it we have to break this term as a minus b whole square form a term to ami a minus b whole square form or break koribo lagibo consider this as a and this as b so here we can write a square what we are required a square here a means what a means 3 root 3 whole square next is what plus b square here b means what 4 square next minus put here minus 2 into here a means what 3 root 3 into b means here how much 4 this is for the numerator part now in the denominator we have to multiply 3 2 times isn't it so 3 3s are 9 3 3s are 9 again what is the value of root 3 whole square it is 3 into 3 next minus 4 4s are 16 now we have to multiply this 3 2 times it is what 3 3s are 9 into root 3 whole square value of root 3 whole square is what 3 minus not minus plus 4 4s are 16 minus it is what 4 2s are 8 8 3s are 24 root 3 understood বুজি পাইছা সবে এটো কি কৰিছো a minus b whole square আমি ব্রেক কৰিলো এটো a কনসিডাৰ কৰিছো এটো b কনসিডাৰ কৰিছো এটা এটো ফৰ্মত এটো স্টেপ টু ফলো কৰিম আমি a স্কয়াৰ a মানে ইয়াত কি হয় আমাৰ 3 root 3 whole square plus b মানে ইয়াত কি হয় 4 হয় নেক্সট কি আছে minus 2 into a মানে 3 root 3 আৰু b মানে কোনটো লৈছো আমি 4 next 3 to দুবাৰ ইনটু কৰিলে 9 পাম root 3 whole square ৰ ভ্যালু 3 হয় minus 4 4 is 16 now 9 3s are 27 minus 16 now 9 3s are 27 plus 16 minus 24 root 3 divided by now all of you understood this part because look at here why it is root 3 we cannot multiply 2 into 3 into root 3 into 4 as a whole, right? We have to keep root 3 separately because 24 into 3 we cannot multiply it because here no root is here, and here 3 is under the root, isn't it? So we cannot multiply these two numbers together. Yes, so কি হৈ আছে ইয়াত 2 3 4 root 3 আমি একেলগে মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰিব নোৱাৰো কিয় কাৰণে নোৱাৰো এটো root 3 আছে বাকি তিনটা নম্বৰটো কি হয় rootত নাই হে কাৰণে এটো আমি কি কৰিম root নথকা নম্বৰ বিলাক ইনটু কৰিম 2 3 যা 6 6 4 যা 24 root 3 টো এটো সেপাৰেট কে লিখিব লাগিব এ 24 into 3 ইনটু কৰিব নোৱাৰে যেহেতু ইয়াত root আছে ইয়াত root নাই understood যদি ইয়াত root থকা হেতেন তেতিয়া হলে আমি এই দুটাটো মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰিব পাৰিলো হয় so এটো আমি এনেকে ৰাখিম so now 27 minus 16 it is how much it is 11 now next step final step so after this step you follow this step okay so 27 plus 6 it is how much 43 right 43 minus 24 root 3 by 11 so this is the final solution to all of digol hobo so the solution will start from here to up to this again you have to follow this step from here to this is the final solution right so this way you have to solve this I hope all of you will understand it so today that's all thank you